Did you know that every royal oak takes over 30 hours just for its signature bracelet links to be hand-finished, each edge chamfered to perfection? Today we're uncovering how these watches are made, from raw metal to iconic timepiece. Their workshops embody over 140 years of horological tradition. Their philosophy is rooted in marrying technical innovation with artisanal excellence, ensuring that every timepiece carries both precision and soul. The Royal Oak, introduced in 1972, was conceived as a bold fusion of sportiness and horology, a stainless steel luxury watch that could rival gold pieces in both design and craftsmanship. Today, the manufacturer balances cutting-edge technology with centuries-old techniques. CNC machines cut components to exact specifications, while master finishers spend hours hand-polishing edges, bevels, and surfaces to perfection. Historical archives and early sketches line the walls, reminding every watchmaker of the lineage that they uphold. From the octagonal bezel to the tapisserie dial, every Royal Oak is conceived as an exercise in meticulous planning, balancing aesthetics with structural integrity. Here, innovation doesn't replace tradition, it amplifies it. The factory hums with activity. Technicians monitor precision equipment, artisans file and polish by hand, and prototypes are continually refined. Every Royal Oak begins not as a watch, but as an idea, a vision rooted in legacy, waiting for form. And every Royal Oak begins as raw metal, awaiting transformation. Every Royal Oak begins its life as a solid block of stainless steel, gold, or platinum, each chosen for its durability and aesthetic qualities. These ingots are forged under intense heat, then rolled and milled into raw shapes for the case, bracelet, and the bezel. The octagonal bezel, signature of the Royal Oak, is machined with absolute precision, ensuring the 8 screws align perfectly while the edges are carefully chamfered and polished by hand. Each lug is shaped to integrate seamlessly with the bracelet, maintaining both ergonomics and design integrity. Polishing is performed under magnification, checking for microscopic imperfections. That's because even a single scratch or uneven bevel can require starting the component all over again. Sapphire crystals are cut and beveled to exact tolerances, then fitted flawlessly into the case. The combination of CNC precision and human finishing ensures both mechanical accuracy and aesthetic perfection. Even the bracelet links are individually milled, chamfered, and polished, a labor-intensive process that reinforces the watch's luxurious yet sporty character. Each case passes inspection under microscopes, ensuring optimal symmetry and flawless reflections. But the case alone isn't enough to define a Royal Oak. The movement plays a big role here too. Inside their workshops, the foundation of every Royal Oak movement begins with the bridges and the main plates. Crafted from either brass or German silver, each plate is machined to micron-level tolerances using precision CNC equipment. Jewel holes are meticulously drilled and countersunk, ensuring perfect alignment for pivots and wheels. Before any gears are installed, artisans apply decorative finishes that are both functional and aesthetic. Perlage, a circular graining pattern, is hand-applied to recessed surfaces, while stripes adorn visible bridges, creating a signature texture that reflects light differently from every angle. Plates then undergo heat treatment to stabilize their metal, followed by rhodium or gold plating to prevent corrosion and enhance visual appeal. Each step is carefully inspected under microscopes, verifying that every angle, curve, and surface meets rigorous standards. Even the smallest imperfection could disrupt energy flow or visual harmony, so only flawless components proceed. By the end of this stage, the base is ready not just to hold gears, but to frame them in artistry, precision, and longevity, setting the stage for the Royal Oak's mechanical heartbeat. Next comes the heart, the Royal Oak caliber itself, where energy transforms into precise timekeeping. With the base plates prepared, watchmakers begin the meticulous assembly of the Royal Oak caliber. The gear train is installed first, each wheel positioned with precise alignment to ensure efficient energy transfer. Next comes the escapement, the delicate mechanism that regulates the flow of energy, followed by the balance wheel, whose oscillations set the heartbeat of the watch. Every component is handled using torque-calibrated screwdrivers and precision tweezers, while micro-lubrication is applied in minute quantities to reduce friction without impairing performance. Watchmakers carefully adjust the beat rate and amplitude, measuring the energy flow through each pivot and wheel, ensuring the movement achieves optimal precision. The rotor, responsible for automatic winding, is mounted last, with its weight and rotational resistance fine-tuned for consistent power delivery. Throughout assembly, every step is observed under magnification, and instruments measure tolerances to fractions of a micron. Even minor adjustments can impact long-term reliability, so artisans repeat tests to guarantee flawless function. By the end of this stage, the caliber not only keeps precise time, but is ready to face the mechanical demands of complications in daily wear, marrying technical mastery with artisanal care. But then, precision is meaningless without durability and reliability, even under extreme conditions and constant wear. Once the Royal Oak movement is fully assembled, it must prove it can endure extreme conditions. Pressure chambers simulate depths far beyond everyday wear, verifying that screw-down crowns, gaskets, and casebacks maintain airtight and watertight seals. Engineers mount completed cases on specialized rigs that replicate wrist motion, subjecting the watch to repeated rotations, tilts, and shocks. Drop tests and impact simulations measure the resilience of both the case and internal movement, ensuring that every component, from the balance wheel to the smallest screw, remains perfectly aligned. Vibrational tests replicate mechanical stressors experienced during physical activity, while temperature chambers cycle the watch between extremes of heat and cold, confirming that metals, lubricants, and jewels perform consistently. Each gasket is inspected under a microscope, and the crown tube assembly is torque tested to guarantee resistance against accidental loosening. Even the sapphire crystal and bezel are examined for any microfractures or potential leakage points. The testing is iterative. Failures lead to refinements, adjustments, or reinforcement, ensuring that the Royal Oak delivers unmatched robustness. By the end of all these trials, every watch meets the rigorous standards expected of a timepiece that combines sportiness and hot technology, prepared for real-world adventures. Once engineered to endure, the complication modules can be added with expert precision. Once the complication modules are confirmed precise, attention shifts to the dial in the hands, the visual interface of the Royal Oak. Each dial is meticulously engraved with a signature pattern using century-old pantograph machines guided by hand, creating a textured, geometric surface that catches light in a unique way. Options vary: sunburst finishes that radiate from the center, matte surfaces emphasizing understated elegance, or even designs that represent the company's heritage. Applied hour markers, often crafted in white gold or platinum, are hand-set and polished to exact alignment. Luminous material is carefully filled into markers for optimal legibility in low light. The hands are flame-blued, polished, or rhodium-plated, shaped for balance, visibility, and aesthetic harmony. Every dial and hand assembly is scrutinized under magnification, ensuring perfect symmetry, alignment, and depth of finish. Even the smallest imperfection can trigger a redo, demonstrating the brand's obsession with visual and functional perfection. Only when each element meets the rigorous standards of beauty, contrast, and readability does it progress to final assembly. With components perfected, it's time to bring them together into final assembly. With the dial, hands, complications, and movement perfected, watchmakers begin final assembly. The movement is carefully cased, ensuring precise alignment of the Royal Oak's octagonal bezel and signature screws. Hands are installed with extreme care, verifying that each sweeps cleanly without interference. The rotor is mounted, calibrated to store energy efficiently during wrist motion, and the bracelet is fitted, tested for secure attachment and smooth articulation. Multi-day timing regulation follows, with the watch placed in various positions to measure amplitude, beat error, and rate consistency. Temperature-controlled chambers simulate changes the watch may face in daily wear, ensuring reliable performance. Technicians verify the tactile feedback of the screw-down crown and pushers, confirming smooth rotation, click, and resistance. Bracelet clasp and link tension are inspected for comfort and durability. Each watch undergoes repeated visual and functional checks to guarantee perfect integration of mechanics, ergonomics, and finishing. Only after passing these final assessments does the Royal Oak advance to certification, marking it ready for rigorous testing and eventual delivery to its owner. Accuracy verified, now comes rigorous certification and meticulous quality control. After final assembly, every Royal Oak enters the most critical phase: quality control and chronometer testing. Each watch is tested against strict chronometer standards, ensuring accuracy within COSC specifications for rate deviation in multiple positions. Movements are observed under precise timing machines, with adjustments made for optimal amplitude and beat consistency. Water resistance is also rigorously checked, with watches submerged and pressurized to verify the integrity of the case, gaskets, and screw-down crown. Vibration and impact simulations replicate daily wear and accidental shocks, confirming the robustness of the movement and the case assembly. Visual inspections under magnification ensure finishing perfection on the case, dial, hands, and bracelet, verifying symmetry, polish, and beveling. The octagonal bezel, polished chamfers, and brushed surfaces are scrutinized for optical consistency. Each watch receives a unique serial number engraved for traceability, linking the timepiece to the specific craftspeople and assembly batch. Only after passing these exhaustive tests does a Royal Oak earn approval, guaranteeing that it embodies both the company's engineering precision and their aesthetic standards. The result is a watch ready not only to keep perfect time, but to carry forward decades of horological heritage. Once approved, the Royal Oak is almost ready to meet its new owner. Once a Royal Oak has passed every test and earned approval, it enters into the final phase, heritage and packaging. Each watch is meticulously cleaned to remove microscopic residues, then polished to highlight the interplay between brushed surfaces and beveled chamfers. Protective coatings are applied where necessary to preserve finishes during handling and storage. The watch is carefully fitted into its presentation box, often accompanied by certification papers, manuals, and warranty documentation. Every element of the packaging is designed to reflect commitment to craftsmanship, echoing the same attention to detail found inside the timepiece. Beyond the physical presentation, this stage emphasizes the Royal Oak's cultural and horological legacy, from its groundbreaking introduction in 1972, where General Ginta's design merged sports watch functionality with haute technology elegance, to his continued influence across generations of collectors and enthusiasts alike. Each packaged watch is not merely a product, it's a statement of enduring innovation, a culmination of decades of engineering, artistry, and human skill. The Royal Oak leaves the workshops as a ready-to-wear icon, carrying with it both the precision of modern manufacture and the history of a watchmaking revolution. And that's how a Royal Oak is meticulously brought to life piece by piece. Which part of the Royal Oak's creation convinces you that it's worth choosing over other watches? Let us know in the comments.